Let's get going. Oh god damn! I can't help myself. Can't do it. Just gotta.
That guy like shook.
Shook his head.
No, you can see like his body like jerked. Like what the fuck?
We're back, people.
Wind coat. A wheel!
There's people in the parking lot. You want to roll?
Alright, what do you want to? There's so much keys there.
There's somebody there.
Oh, Best Buy's already closed. So it's Old Navy. Well, everything's closing now. Because best bet is 24 hours. Oh. Bum 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 bum.
We can have our chance to go through those people right up there.
Don't drive away. Don't walk away from the faster. You look like a creeper stalker. Yeah, creeper stalker status. Asshole. Everybody.
Oh, check this out.
Okay, she's pointing at us.
Oh, she likes it. She was laughing.
Two Asian guys. They want to go in bed by. Hello, bitches.
She was like, yeah. Do it again. I was like, ha.
Arriba, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Drive by. Want you to go.
I like how it echoes.
A bit loud with that big one's deep. Sports Authority. Oh, there you go.
Too bad the library isn't closer.
You're right there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you fucked it up.
No, we won't fuck it up.
Huh?
We'll get this right.
I said you fucked it up. You went. We're all staring at you already. That wasn't the goal. They're not doing something. Speakers over there, their vehicles back like this, facing opposite directions.
Should we go over
yeah,
there?
you got the money.
You got the money?
Go the wrong way.
drugs.
We're going the wrong way, Adam.
No, I know we're going the wrong way.
Who cares? Are you going by the drug dealer dudes? Fuck.
Should we? No? Yes?
I don't know.
Any objections?
Just make sure you go that way.
Yeah, just make sure you go that way. We don't want to piss off the people doing druggies.
Nah, we'll pass this time.
Yeah.
Because McDonald's sounds better!
Make food?
Make food.
What? Oh, I'm sorry, McCarlan's freaking out. We gotta do that, actually.
Be like, I can't turn it off!
Goddamn cars are!
Let me just conceal this a little bit more.
Yeah, put the camera down just a smidge so they don't see us.
Hold on, should we do it right as soon as we pull up?
Yeah.
Like, Sarah, let's go fucking haywire. Right, let's say how am I helping? Mirror, sorry.
There's a car alarm going off in here. I don't know what the hell's wrong. It's going to shut off. I kicked the box.
The box hanging down, I kicked that shit to get it up there and it went off. Fuck.
Don't hit the brand new VW. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck what?
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
Can I get, Josh, are you hungry, right?
Yeah, I don't know what I want yet though. Let me see what the fucking menu says.
We don't have to pull up.
Yeah, I
have one
can't read
with
the
chicken.
fucking menu. Alright, okay, I can read now. Alright, pick what you want, Adam.
Can I get 2 double stacks?
Home of chicken.
You want a McChicken?
Yeah, I'll take
I'm sorry, 2 what?
2 double stacks and a McChicken.
medium Coke.
And a medium Coke.
Anything else for you?
What are you gonna get, Josh?
I'm looking.
Yeah, we got more. Hold on.
Can I get an Angus bacon cheeseburger?
An Angus bacon cheeseburger?
Ketchup only.
Oh, okay.
Ketchup only?
Yes.
Just a sandwich?
You got it?
Oh yeah, that's expensive, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to make it too costly for you. I do want something to drink.
Can I get a small drink? 2 small dollar drinks?
Yeah, well, it's any size for $1 right now.
Oh, I'm sorry, the larges.
Oh yeah, can I get one too then?
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Yeah.
What do you want? Coke?
No.
What do you want?
What they got? Hold on, fuck.
It's Coke products, isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't know what the fuck I want.
They got IC, Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite.
Dr. Pepper's what thing you know.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pecker.
One of them.
What size did you want?
The large size, since it's only $1.
Alright, no problem.
And then a Coke.
I'd be sure to say,
You got it.
Dr.
$1
Pecker,
size
please.
drink, it's $10.69.
Thank you.
Or you should say, I want some DP. Can I get some DP?
You don't have 2 large DPs?
Damn it, you got it!
Oh.
Made me kill it.
But 2 large DPs would be awesome.
Yeah. I'll have a Dr. Pecker.
Wow. Oh, God. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry. Oh, no.
Adam, when you get up here, you'd be like, are you sure you got the DP?
Oh my God, he's probably like, these guys are clowns.
Adam, did you say I'm hurt with the DP, man? Really?
You don't have an idea in your mind how hard I need this right now. Got myself a problem. I need me a fix. It's Dr. Pepper.
Dr. DP, man.
Oh my God.
He knows how to give you a 2-way straw.
Wow.
Dude, I can't stop. I just wanted like a bitch back. Operator, so you can go make sure, like, did you get my DP?
God.
But actually, I think, I don't know if you'll get DP. It's better to say, did you get my Dr. Pecker? Oh, it definitely gets attention.
Oh man. This guy, I'm close to tears. This is bad. It's bad.
Do it. Be like, dude, you get my DP. No, wait, Pecker.
You're what? My Dr. Pepper, damn it.
Yes.
Sweet ice cold Pecker. I don't know. I think he might take this too serial.
You go, my bad. Adam, when you get it wrong and he gets all mad, you go, my bad.
My bad.
I didn't know you didn't like Peckers.
That's kind of yeah!
It won't stop.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yeah, I just pulled the window and set your car alarm off. Like, whoa. It was like, what? I don't know. I didn't do it.
Just like get a strap, leave it on.
No, Adam, you need to put a second foot on the floor where you can squeeze your foot and be like, I don't know what's going on. Fuck. What?
Yeah, that would be perfect.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
$10.69 your total today.
Okay.
69.
Wow. Like you, dingus. Gone.
Alright, there you go, folks. Have a good day now.
Thank you.
Oh, we didn't give it DP. We didn't beat. Yeah, go wire keep touching up there somewhere. I don't know what's going on.
Wait a minute, that's not hot.
Alright, hit the hydraulics.
Thank you. Oh, there's
This mine?
I think that's your medium, yeah. Which one's this? Dr. Pepper?
You're supposed to say you said DP.
Sounds like she said Dr. Pepper. I thought she said Dr. Pepper.
Alright, good enough.
Yeah, be careful. Adam's got issues with pissing
Thank you.
himself. Alright, boys. Hey, yeah. Let's go, bitch.
Thank you. I'll see
Thank you.
you.
Yeah. Nice. Oh wait, there's the other one.
She not give us straws.
Not quite.
I got 2. I don't know about
You take the one on the phone or the one walking that way.
One walking the dog is unsuspected.
Okay. Sorry, we have to get our.
He's watching the dog and the phone. And the dog probably gonna flip out too. He's like, oh, we had to turn around. You made her jump out of her shit. She like jumped a foot ahead of herself.
She's probably like, you guys are ass clowns, I hate you.
You made her jump out of her shit.
That was the best describing words I've heard my whole life. Her shit.
There's another guy.
Oh, he didn't jump. Damn it.
He was expecting it.
Yeah, I think you heard.
Just look forward.
Rose. Oh.
Go that
You
way.
didn't even fucking turn around. Fucking pussy.
You didn't scare him then, damn it.
Comes back with some state trooper. You're like, what the heck?
I'm like, oh, fuck.
Get the fuck out of Dodge. Go, 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 go.
I'm not in a Dodge.
Well, you made me think. That's a good one. Oh my god. Let's do this, people.
Like, oh my god, it's a Dodge. We still got him. Well, wait, wait.
Go drive off the curb.
I think we're fucking crackheads.
Wait till after you get past this. Stop.
What are you staring at?
Oh.
What?
Just go that way.
Yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
They're staring at us. Like, what the fuck are you staring at, Brent? They're like, what?
These are the days of our lives. Oh, wee!
It will be in a minute. It's one of the days away. Fucking douchebag.
It's just priceless.
Down Teba Highway we go. It's clear, guys. Let's do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I wish I could be a DB and sit in my car like this.
Where do we put the balloon?
This lady said get a car.
Oh, and it's T-Mobile. Cruise by. Oh, God.
Okay, let's get the fuck out of Dodge.
Yeah, we've been here quite a bit.
Yeah, we've been lingering too long. They could have spent somebody out here to warn us. But...
Someone right there.
Two of them, too.
Now, go.
Hit it.
You should do it a little bit before you pass them so you can actually see them. So you do it right when you pass them, not all of them turn all the time.
Oh, I see.
But I'm saying we're already a little past them. If you do it right when you're up, like right next to them or a little behind them,
There's people up there.
You'll get them really good.
Okay.
Because I think the ones that we sneak up to when we hit them are a lot better than the ones that you pass them a little bit first.